Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to make some sardine bread roll, so watch to the end. To begin, we are going to sieve our flour, and I'm going to use 2 cups of flour. This sieving is very important. Whenever you are making use of flour, please don't skip it. Now our flour is ready. And we are going to add a pinch of salt, adding sugar. Don't worry about the measurement, I'm going to drop it in the description box. We keep it aside, and the next thing now is to add our milk into a bowl. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of yeast. Mix it properly until everything is well combined. At this point, we are going to add our egg. I'm using just 1 egg. I will be adding my melted margarine. You can also use melted butter. Whisk until everything is well combined. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my video, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. At this point, we are going to make a well in the flour, and make sure you wash your hands properly before doing that, as we are going to use our hands to mix the 2 mixture together, that is our flour and our margarine egg mixture. Continue kneading until you get a nice dough. I'm going to knead it on a surface. Before doing that, you add some flour or oil before kneading it to avoid sticking to the surface. I'm done kneading, and I'm going to drop it aside, but before then we'll drop some vegetable oil in the bowl and rub it around the bowl to avoid sticking. Drop the dough in the bowl and roll it over because you do not want it to stick. Cover it and let it rest for about 30 to 1 hour while we prepare the fillings. Here I have about 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. There is no particular measurement for this, depending on how spicy you want it to be. I'm okay with 3. I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes. Here I have my small onion, and I'm going to chop it into small pieces. I have my sardine here, so I'm going to drain out the oil. We don't need the oil. I'm scared to know it goes me and you. We keep dancing that same dance, so tell me you. Add the sardine into a bowl, then add the chopped pepper and onion. And that will never change as long as I'm still breathing. At this point, we are going to pieces the sardine and mix everything together properly. I'm done mixing it. And the next, I'm going to coat our pan, and I'll be using margarine to coat the pan. And this is because I do not want my bread to get burnt and stick to the pan. I also have the paper here, baking paper. I'm going to lay it inside the pan. You can use any plate you have. It's not must that you have to use a baking pan. You can also use a plate, a stainless plate preferably. Now our dough has doubled in size, and I'm going to deflate it and then knead it. I'm going to knead it until I get a long roll. Then I will cut it into the shape or sizes that I want.
Nighttime alone, I lay in the dark and look past the ceiling, up at the stars.
Now I'll be rolling it into a round shape, and I'm going to continue this process until I'm done rolling all the dough. Our dough is ready, and it's time to start the filling process.
And that will never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. That'll never change, long as I'm still breathing.
After adding the fillings, then you wrap it up and seal it properly, then mold it into a round shape.
If only I could see what's hidden in the pages of that notebook you write in. It must be romances, poems and pieces you put into stanzas. Picking petals
You
for a
continue
sign
the
of
same
hope.
process
One
until you are
night,
done
I'm scared
filling the
of
whole
no.
dough.
It goes me and you. We keep dancing that same dance. So tell me you are falling the same way I fall in love with you every single day. And that will never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. That'll never change, long as I'm still breathing, breathing. You don't need to play it safe. Used to dream about it, now it's keeping me awake. Shit, pleasure turning into pain. Can't you see I'm hurting? I'm certain I've been on your brain, no question about it, that's a given.
I'm done with the whole process and our dough is ready for baking. But before that, we are going to use 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk. We are going to use the mixture to brush our dough before baking.
Are falling the same way I fall in love with you every single day. And that will never change.
I don't have that brush for coating the dough, but I'm going to use my spoon until I'm done coating the whole dough. I'm done with the egg brush. The next thing is to transfer it into the oven and bake for about 30 to 45 minutes on a low heat. Now our bread is ready. So simple and easy to make.
I wonder how far and which one is yours.
I'm sure you are going to give this a try, as it is a very good idea for breakfast, especially when you have kids going to school. You make this for them in the morning to take with their tea before leaving for school. Just take a look at the freshness. The aroma is everywhere. You can also have this as lunch in the office. You get just with a bottle of Coke or malt, you are good to go. Try this and I know you are going to love it. See you some other time when I post my next video, but please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you watch my video up to this time. Thank you and bye bye.